Cuckabug.
How does work? I thought this was already done. Okay, this is kind of thick. This looks like a lotion, like an actual like body lotion. Let's see how this. The scent is super faint. You barely smell it. Oh, this thick. This is wow. Oh, I like her. Hold up. Oh, she feels lush. I might not wash her out. Hold up. Girl. Y'all might, everybody going to the leave-in, but low-key, we might just do, y'all might just need the intensive conditioner. Cause child, if this don't leave a mask, love this. It smells good. It smells good to me. It smells like it smells like a flower. So curls are popping. I'm gonna lightly rinse it out if that. I don't know. I might not rinse it out. We might have to do this another day. I'm using a lot. I need to chill a little bit. Yeah. Ooh. I need to chill. Especially if I have to rinse this out. So it doesn't completely, cause see, look, it's not completely melting in my hair. But also, y'all see I'm handy. So, you know, but look, I'm just gliding through my hair. So I wanted to show you all the curl clumping ability of this conditioner. So I'm showing you all the tightest curl pattern of my hair, which is on my crown. So watch what it does. So she wants to clump a little too. Okay. I don't know how to act, because if this gray cast wasn't here on my hair, if I didn't look gray, I'd be walking right out. So here I am, I'm taking my hair down, and I was gonna let the conditioner dry in my hair now because I used it as a deep conditioner, and now I was just gonna do a wash and go because I like the curl definition. But because it's a rinse out conditioner, here's my hair fully dried. Because it's a rinse out conditioner, it did leave like a gray film or look to my hair, so I knew I had to rinse it out of my hair. So this is the first rinse, and you can see that there's still a lot of conditioner left. I was rather gentle with my hair because I wanted to keep the clumping together, the curl clumps together, but as you see, my hair is rather thick. Underneath this canopy, I still have a lot of conditioner, so I wouldn't let the conditioner dry in your hair. Keep it wet and keep it underneath a processing cap. I have high expectations because I love the conditioner, so it moves a lot more than the other conditioner. Okay, let me see. Got a tangle. So the conditioner's up in my hair. It's chill. It's not like love at first sight, like the intensive conditioner, but this one's pretty good. I mean, I ain't doing nothing wrong. Define my hair and it feels moisturized, so let's keep going and see what it does. So this is my hair. It's not fully dried yet, but it has leave-in in it, and I could tell it had good potential for a wash and go, but because there was barely any hold, there was some curl clumping, but not that much hold, I was nervous, so I decided to put my hair in braids for a braid out. So I could see the conditioner, not the leave-in conditioner, but the conditioner left my hair with some gray flakes in some areas, and that left me a little bit worried. But luckily, I had the Argan oil hair serum, and that took away all the gray flakes. Okay, so I'm loving how my hair turned out. I did a braid out. It's very big and very fluffy. It's cute, I think, and it's really soft. So I'm gonna quickly do a review over each of the products that I tried. So starting first with the hydration shampoo. I think it lives up to its name very well because it's very hydrating. In fact, I shampooed with it twice and it was never stripping, or it never felt too much. In fact, I think it is stronger than a cleansing conditioner or a clarifying conditioner. It's definitely not a clarifying shampoo, but for my needs it works, and I love the smell of it, and I love how it leaves your hair smelling. So I was very much a fan of this, and it's funny because this is the product that I chose to choose the smallest size of. But I love it, so I would definitely buy it again. Moving on to the intensive conditioner. So I had, like, you know, it's like a bittersweet, not a love-hate, but bittersweet kind of relationship with this. The first time I put on my hair, I was in love because of how much it was clumping my curls, and it just felt really moisturizing. But you know, I was really trying to make it work. I wanted to make it into a wash and go, but it leaves that like gray film on your hair. That's what a lot of rinse out conditioners do. So I couldn't finesse. So, but I really want to try because I love the formula of it. And I don't know, I really hope Pattern Beauty uses this kind of formula, but makes it so you can use it for a wash and go, so you can leave it in your hair, because I loved it. As far as a mask, because I did leave it on my hair for a longer amount of time, and in the instructions it says it acts as a mask that way. It was okay. I felt like it was hydrating, but it was hard to get out of my hair. I probably should have let it dry. I should have let it just, you know, stay wet, because trying to get it out afterwards was a mess. Would I buy it again? I want to play with it a little bit more, and then I would think about it. I would probably try the heavy conditioner, so the one that's a step up, that's, I guess, is a little bit lighter. I would try that and try to finesse it into a wash and go, pretty much. And then the next one, the leave-in conditioner. It's a lot of emotions with this one. Yes. So You know, a lot of leave-in conditioners, they don't really have that much hold, but I was hoping for some hold because, you know, there's no styler right now in the line, but there was no hold. Like, the conditioner had more hold than the leave-in, which, I mean, for some people that's acceptable because a lot of people wear leave-ins underneath their stylers, but it wasn't enough for me. So, there's that. It was a nice texture, great smell. I love the smell of the entire line. So would I buy it again? As of right now, probably no. I would try it maybe. If they release a styler, I would try it underneath it just so I know it's compatible. But otherwise, it didn't totally wow me. Now going to this is the surprise, I think, for me, because I didn't even want to buy the oil. Well, I was just buying it just to get a lot of, like, to try out the entire line. But the Argan oil hair serum, I love it. So it has a lot of different oils in it. It has, obviously it has argan oil, it has castor oil, it has sunflower seed oil, it has sweet almond oil, it has shea butter oil, or shea oil. And it feels so good. It's so light, and then I used it so much throughout this process. It's just nice. I actually really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. I'm like, oil is oil, but I would buy it again. I would buy it again. I kind of wish that it had the same fragrance as the rest of the line. It doesn't have any fragrance, which is good because at least it's not like heavily, you know, scented with something else. But I love the fragrance oil on the rest of the line, so I wish it kind of smelled like that. But besides that, yeah. Would I buy it again? I think I would. So my two favorites, probably out of everything, would definitely be the shampoo and the oil. Also, to try out the last product, I did get the towel. So I was kind of, I was taken aback because I thought this was supposed to be like a turban, like a pre-wrapped turban, and you just like slide it on your head. No. So you had to wrap it yourself, but I mean, it took like 2 seconds to figure out how to do it. So that's okay. It's a microfiber towel, so it kind of feels, it reminds me of the towels that you use to wipe down like a car to dry it. So it did absorb water well, excess water out of my hair well, I felt. I usually dry with t-shirts, so it was better than that. I can tell you that. There was no water like dripping down my head, like the front part of my head or on the back of my neck, so that was good. The only problem I had with it was that the part that I rolled in the front, like the excess fabric, when I tried to tuck it, it would just come loose, so it would never really tuck. And I tried to do it in a lot of different ways. So I kind of wish there was a loop or something in the back so I could, you know, have it more secured. Would I buy it again? I'm not sure, to be honest. It's not like I have to have a towel because the t-shirts work, but I felt like it did kind of leave my hair leaving a little bit less like, not frizzy, but kind of dry from rubbing on some other fabrics. So this kind of helped a little bit. Not totally crazy about it though. So, I love my results though. So this, the leave-in conditioner, even though you know, how I feel about it, it's super light and it's got me this, you know, this Ross family volume. So I'm feeling that. I like the lightness of it because I usually choose heavy products, but, yeah, so thank you guys for watching. So leave a comment down below on what you're interested in trying from the line, or if you've already tried it, what do you like, what don't you like? Let me know. Please subscribe and like so you can see more videos from me. Thanks again. Bye.